This exercise is called breathing with the tree. Overwhelmed, exhausted, unable to catch your breath, energy depleted? Do this in imagery, or better still, do this in imagery next to a live tree or plant. Close your eyes, breathe out slowly, counting from 3 to 1, seeing the numbers. See the one tall, clear, and bright. Imagine that you're in the countryside looking up at a hill, a very green hill, on top of which is a magnificent tree. Breathe out slowly and climb up the hill to be close to the tree. When you get to the top of the hill, sit at the foot of the tree. Bend your knees and sink your toes into the ground. Breathe out and sink your fingers into the ground. Feel your toes and fingers growing like roots. Now, slowly breathe out all your carbon dioxide and see it rising up into the canopy of the tree, being absorbed by the leaves. As soon as the leaves absorb the carbon dioxide, they're going to send you out their oxygen. Breathe it in. Continue to breathe with the tree, seeing that great ring linking you to the tree. At the same time, feel the energy coming from the ground, the sap rising in the tree, rising also in your spine, up the trunk of the tree, up your spine, all the way up into the branches of the tree. Look at the color of the sap. Continue to breathe with the tree. When you feel replete, then breathe out slowly. You're going to pull up the roots of your hands and toes, step away from the tree. Breathe out slowly and take a look at yourself. How do you look now? How's your expression? How's the color of your skin? How's your hair? How are you dressed? Now breathing out, turn and look at the tree. How does the tree look like now? What does the tree look like now? Is it brighter, darker, fuller, smaller, bigger? If you are happy with the way the tree looks, if you are happy with the way you look, breathe out and come on down the hill. If you are not completely satisfied, breathe out and go to the little river nearby. Take a watering can and fill it with water, and you're going to water the tree and water yourself. Now breathe out slowly and take a look at the tree now, and take a look at yourself. Continue watering until you're completely satisfied and pleased with the results. Now breathe out slowly and come on down the hill, the very green hill, feeling renewed and satisfied. Breathe out and open your eyes.